going. What is peace? Or what do we want to point to mean to with peace, with the word peace? Simply the fact that there is always a calm, restful, so restful, peaceful kind of presence, for lack of a better word, in our perception, or which is even the basis and the source of our perception, and pervades the world like a rainbow with lines, but everywhere. Always here, still, and let everything happen, every thoughts, every emotions, every sensation, and consequently everything else. And that is our task, or that is our challenge, to recognize that, or that it recognizes itself, but we can do some active things in every situation, at every moment, whatever happens, under whatever circumstances. At start, it may be much easier quietly in a room, not doing anything, but then it is movement in life with other people and doing any kind of activity, being in every place. No limit, no limit. It has to know that it has no limit in your life, in our life. That's how we join. So take care. I hope you have a time today to enjoy maybe the sounds of a place, whether a quiet place or a busy place, small sounds of trees, of people passing by, of birds, or other things. I don't know, something doing something, someone doing something. Enjoy this for a few minutes or more. That it appears without effort and is already, in fact, you, part of you, and appears in you. Effortlessly. Enjoy, friend. Enjoy and see you. Bye.